Hi, my name is Amy Small. I am the CEO of Small Consulting. I have a master's degree in public health from the University of New England. The recommendations set forth are crucial for the project at stake to be a success. Palmetto Railways has proposed that the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers should construct a Navy base intermodal container transfer facility, or ICTF, in North Charleston, South Carolina. The proposed 135-acre transfer facility will enlarge the current port, allowing an increased volume of incoming containers to be unloaded from ships. The determination for the need of an environmental impact statement was first presented July 8, 2013 by the Department of the Army. We have examined each area of the focus's environmental and health impacts. After further research, we have established the necessary proposed actions and monitoring systems. The Small Consulting firm wants to show you how certain regulations in reference to air pollution, the effects on low socioeconomic residents, as well as noise pollution, are essential to success. An increase in rail and cargo ship activity will be creating an increase in CO2 emissions for the North Charleston community. The short-term effects of diesel particulate matter, or DPM, are dizziness, headaches, and irritations of the eyes, nose, and throat. Long-term effects have the potential to cause pulmonary and cardiovascular diseases. The most vulnerable of this population is the elderly and children. When low socioeconomic residents lose their housing, they are at risk for losing their connections both economically as well as socially. There are often physical and health burdens that go along with being displaced. Noise. Noise is unwanted sound. Noise vibrations will permeate the surrounding areas, possibly causing foundation and structural damage to the buildings in proximity. Noise as low as 70 to 80 decibels can cause ischemic heart disease and hypertension, with hearing loss starting at 90 decibels and pain at 120 decibels. Showing here on the slide are noise maps of a train blowing its horn, and beside it is another map showing the noise distribution of a baseline train noise. The following actions have to take place for the project to be successful. Regarding air pollution, all train engines will need to be installed with engine exhaust filters and diesel oxidation catalysts. All trains operating at the ICTF will also need to be upgraded with cleaner burning engines. Regarding low socioeconomics, it is critical that the residents both in the direct path of the ICTF and those adjacent lots be offered packages to move. There needs to be a small committee assigned to this part of the planning in which current residents are a part of. Regarding noise, Rob Stevens, who is the principal of HGC Engineering, states that the structural design of the layout, along with sourcing quiet equipment, will be essential for achieving the desired end product. Barriers will also need to be designed in the appropriate areas. For the facility to operate with the least environmental footprint as possible, acceptable monitoring protocols must be in place. To control and monitor air pollution, the facility will need to adopt a similar program to Amtrak's Environmental and Sustainability Management System. The program will need to include internal audits and corrective action plans. The protection of low socioeconomic residents is 100% necessary for this project to be successful. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD, can be a direct partner ensuring their priority goals are achieved through their guidance. For noise pollution, all state and national laws must be followed for the project to take place, along with any mandated banking codes. As lawsuits have already been settled in conjunction with the proposed project, The small consulting firm wants you to understand the importance of being as environmentally friendly as possible while paving the way for our future and for the future of generations to come.